Super Farm. You're going to, I gotta think about this. I don't think there's any pro stocks, regular pro stocks in this class tonight, but also super stock tractors all under one umbrella. The Super Stock Open. Light pro stock. This tractor is limited to the size of the cubic inches, 540. They can have a certain size turbocharger in it. But if you listen, this is a class where you will definitely be able to hear the horsepower here tonight. The International 5088 of the Obermeyer family, bad company. They farm about 6,000 acres of corn, beans, and grow popcorn down at their farm in Monterey. Obermeyer Farms is the sponsor. Second generation driver. Dad Tim drives the Sandhill Binder. The Obermeyer building the heat. Light pro stock. Super Stock Open class here tonight. Division about 10-12 years ago by the National Tractor Pulling Association. The NTPA found a need to get young people involved in the world of pulling. Okay, here's the measurement on Lee Obermeyer, 318.255, 318.255 for Lee Obermeyer and the Bad Company. This is a Super Farm. Natural weight, 9,300 pounds, okay? Single charger setup on the 640 cubic inch motor. These tractors are limited in the amount of air intake and of course the outtake. They must have stock intake and exhaust manifolds, 3 inches of air in, 3 inches of air out on the charger, no intercoolers or aftercoolers, 24.5-inch tires on the back. Entry level. John Silsby coming up next, the Crop Doctor out of Pittsburgh, Michigan. International 1066. Now for the 640 inches of corn with a 466. Single charger setup. Dub Ag Services out of Houston City, Illinois. Silsby, Dub Ag Services, distribution center in Union City, Kansas City, Harrison. Right at that 285 today. Don't let it go anywhere.
You just can't hardly see them.
But no. That's what we're going to talk about. There's a truck out there that you're not to touch tonight, okay? All right. Tony Seasma, the Wolverine Deer, built the heat.
Yeah, something going wrong.
The England chassis. This truck at one time was owned by a guy that is a Ford Hill. It was called the Ford's Toy. Joe was the hired gun for a year, bought the truck, and been maintaining it very strongly ever since. Okay. private center. Try to get into that road that Joe Shaneman laid out there in front and extend the road here. And trying to get into that number 2 spot. Austin Boyer still setting out in the lead with 296 and some change. The hair dryer Scott Chevy S10, Jim Roberts. Well, that wasn't so good.
Gone blown.
Easy about it. 6 tonight to Jim Roberts and the kind of class. So we'll go right into our last class here. We're going to wait up for. So it is a frozen finish line here tonight. Kyle Cardona, a TNS Repair out of Lapeer, Michigan. Started out pulling the cattle mine back in the day. A single 390 Ford that was naturally aspirated. Probably made about 400 horse. Right now, he's campaigning about an 8,000 horse